Hi everyone, so this is WECON PLC that I'm going to make a video series on. As you can see, it is LX3V series. So I've been sponsored by WECON to make content on this amazing PLCs and very cost effective, and it is these PLCs are becoming really popular in Asia and as well as in other countries. So let's do the unpacking. Oops. So as you can see, this is the small compact WECON PLC. Let me take this out. So here you can see as mostly they are inputs on top of the PLC, and you can see over here as well in X1, X2, X3 form, and this takes normal line and neutral as input, and in output you can see outputs as Y0, Y1, Y2, and with common terminals as well, and 24 volt out as well over here. Yeah, it has over here RS485 ports as well. As you can see, for the programming cable you can put programming cable over here. There are different options available which we will explore. We can use both the options, DIN connector as well for programming, as well as USB micro USB connector as well. I believe it is USB 2.0. This is not USB-C, the older version of USB you can use over here. And so as you can see, there is a switch over here for run and stop mode over here. Other than that, you can plug some onboard IOs over here as well. There's a small onboard IO module that you can plug over here. If I compare to other PLCs, this WECON PLC is mostly similar to FATEC PLC or Delta PLCs that are manufactured in Taiwan, but this one is made in China, right? So WECON technology, made in China, and there are versions written over here. It takes AC 85 to 264 volt, which is really good. It has a wide voltage range, and it accepts 50-60 hertz supply as well. And other than that, you can easily plug your PLC on the DIN rail. And yep, I believe that's everything about the hardware part. I especially like the color. If I compare that to FATEC, I don't like the FATEC PLC's color. Delta PLC colors have black and white as well. Mitsubishi are white as well. This, I believe, is a little grayish in color, so it is really good to see as well. It comes with warranty as well, so I should not open it, otherwise it would bypass the warranty. So this is a compact PLC. I believe I can't put additional modules with it, and they have different versions and many versions available on their website as well. So yep, that's about the WECON PLC overview. It comes with this manual as well. This is the first time I'm opening this PLC, so pardon my mistakes if I do any, which I'm obviously going to do. So my model is LX3V, so it directly accepts AC input, and then there are different variation, different versions as well that you can see over here. And yeah, I believe on the back side it is all in Chinese. On the front side it is all in English over here. So there are some installation precautions, some warnings, and some specification written over here. And other than that, yep, just a small, it says WECON Technology QA Pass. Is it a sticker? Yep. No, it's not a sticker. Okay, so we are going to do the wiring, and we are going to program in the coming lessons. Thank you.